Huh?
Landon wasn't on the bus this morning.
Who?
Landon.
Landon who?
Your cousin.
Oh, it's because I took him to school, babe.
Huh?
I brought him to school. Didn't run it every day. All right. If you look up here, really quick, we're going to go over. You guys can go ahead and put your masks up over your nose, and then when we pound and tap, you guys can put it back down. Okay, we're going to go over our spelling feature for this week. Now, before we start, I gotta apologize because I messed up. Are you listening?
Yeah.
I messed up because I told you guys yesterday and the day before that NK is a digraph, and it's not. Okay? NK is not a digraph. NG is a digraph, but NK is not a digraph. It was all my fault. I was stuck on NG from last week, and yesterday when I was in cluster, it hit me like a ton of bricks that I told you guys wrong. Okay? So no worries. No worries. It doesn't change anything. It's not going to change like how you code it, other than the fact that you're not going to underline the NG. The NK. It just don't think that NK is a digraph. Okay? And then when you blend it, you can blend it like you'll have all four sounds. Okay? You'll blend all four sounds. Okay. So is NK a digraph? No. Okay? Alright. Because you can separate NK. I don't know. NK just makes the sound. Sing. Okay? Alright. So our spelling feature for this week is what? What letters? NK, right? And we're putting NK in front of vowels, but what vowels are we talking about this week? A, I, O, and U. What vowel are we not putting in front of NK? We are not putting the E in front of K this week. In front of NK this week. Very good. All right.
But why?
Let's review the words that we have done so far. So, what is this word? Sing. Wing. Oh, bing. Bang. Bang. If this was, I'm sorry.
Roll the bank.
If this was bing, what vowel would it have? I. If this was bonk, what letter would it have? Oh. Okay. Good job. And this is tank. All right. Tank. So our spelling feature for this week is NK. And where are we going to find NK? At the end of a word. Very good. All right. Whoa. It's my turn to talk. My turn. Okay. So I am going to pound and tap and check the syllables of my first word. Okay? Are you guys going to help me with this? No. So where should your masks be? On your face and over your nose. Should you be doing back bends in your chair? I don't want to see it again. All right. So our first word today is bonk. Bonk. You don't have one, do you? Didn't even notice. It's okay. Go get one from the office. Here we go. Watch Miss Ashley. Whose turn is it?
Yours.
My turn. Are you guys going to help me?
No.
No way, Jose. Ready? Bonk. 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 Remember, it's my turn. I clapped once, I snapped once, my chin went down one time, so I know I'm working with one syllable, okay? One syllable. So now I'm going to pound and tap my word. my right hand. So I'm going to pound with my right hand and tap with my left hand. And as I tap with my left hand, I'm going to start with my pinky and work my way to the right. Because we read left to right. We write right to left. We write left to right. When we sound out words, we sound them out from left to right, okay? So I'm going to pound the word bonk. Here we go. Bonk. 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 I know that the first sound is b. Come here and I'll fix it for you. I know the first sound is b, and I know that hang on just one second. I know that the letter B makes that sound, b, ah. The second letter I know, or the second sound is ah, so I know that's the O, b, on. I know my third sound is n, and so that letter is going to be N, b, on. And my last sound is the sound, and I know it's going to be a K because that is my spelling feature for today. For this week is the K sound, guys. If there aren't any tissues, then you need to go sit down, and I will get a new box later. I've not heard you sneeze or sniffle. Go sit in. Both of you.
My throat is hurting.
Hang on just a second. Are you thirsty? No? Okay. Hang on just a second. Okay. Got it 100 years. I'm going to pinch your little nose, okay? Just to make it. Okay. Put it back down. Does it feel comfortable? Is it too tight?
No.
Okay. Okay. What is that word on the board? Bonk. Very good. Okay. I want you guys. Okay, you don't have fever. Let me see. One more time. Okay, let me see your throat. I want you guys to get out your board marker and erasers. Let me take this off for just a second. You're going to go. Keep saying it. Let me text Miss Tori and see if she can get you some cough drops and see if that works, okay? You don't have a fever. I checked your camp. You don't have a fever in your throat. I don't really see where it's red. So let me just see if she can get you some cough drops, okay? I would give you some, but I don't have any. I think I gave all my stuff to and do you need to go to the bathroom? Go.
I couldn't walk in it. And I keep on falling.
Oh, goodness. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to text Miss Tori. Okay. All right. Board markers and erasers out. And I want you guys to pound and tap the word bonk. Should your testing folders be out? No. Bonk. You should be pounding, tapping, and writing. I want you to take your testing folder down, please. Marley, what you need? Well, look in your cup. I'm not getting you a new one. Okay, I want you to pound the word bonk. Pound it. Bonk. Tap it. Okay. Now can you write the word bonk if you haven't already? Okay. Think about our feature. Honk. Very good. Coming around to second. Rowland and Emmeline, you can go ahead and write ready erase. No, not bonk. Bonk. You can write ready erase. You guys write ready erase. That's a good job, but this is backwards. It needs to be like that. I will write ready erase in just a second myself. Very good. Nope, that's wrong. No. Look up there. My yellow card. Guys, what letters? Good job. Write ready erase. Write ready erase. What letters are we focusing on this week? N, K. I want you to write ready erase. That's bone. I need bone. When you have read it, and erased it 3 times, I want you to go ahead and code it. Very good. Write ready erase. Okay. Hang on just a second. Very good. Can you write ready erase that and then code it? Very good. Okay, I'm going to, that's bone. I need bone. Bone. Write ready erase. Well, you should have more in your tub. I'm not getting you one. No, I need you to write ready erase the word bonk. And then I need you to code your word bonk. I am going, yes, you may. I'm going to go ahead and write ready erase my word bonk. Here we go. Bonk. On bonk. Like I bonked you on the head. One more time. On bonk. All right. So we have wrote, read, and erased our word 3 times. Okay. What is the first thing I'm going to do when I am trying to code my word? I'm going to find my vowel. What are vowels? Hang on. I've got somebody drawing on their board and they should not be. I am like 100 days behind right now. All right. What is a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Right? And what are so special about the A, E, I, O, or U? Marley, what are you saying? And what kind of sounds do they have? Short sounds and long sounds. Okay? They're short sounds. Can you tell me a short sound from a vowel? Very good. And their long sound. Tell me their long sound. Remember, their long sounds, it is just their letters, their letter names, right? All right. And everything that's not a vowel is a consonant. Very good. So, I know that when I'm coding my word, if the first thing I'm doing is looking for a vowel, I'm looking for what letter? Very good. I'm looking for just 1 of 5 letters, right? And I see up here that I have the letter O. So I know that that's my vowel. So 1 syllable word, so it's going to have 1 vowel. And then after I find my vowel, what am I going to do? Hang on. Once I've located my vowel, I'm going to look and see what comes after my vowel. Very good. And I see that the letter N comes after my vowel. And I know that the letter N is not A, E, I, O, U. So it's not a vowel. So I know it's a consonant. So I'm going to label it with a C. Okay? Am I going to underline the N and K? No. Remember, I had to tell you guys that Miss Ashley messed up. Miss Ashley messed up and she can't, you are not supposed to underline it. Sorry. Hang on just a second. Should we have 100 markers on our tables? Nope. All right. So I now see that I have a VC pattern, and I know that when I have a VC pattern, I know that I have a closed syllable. Very good. And a closed syllable is where my vowel is going to say its short sound. So I'm going to put a breathe above my vowel because this vowel is going to be short because it has a consonant behind it. Okay? So if you did not code your word like this, will you please do that now? If you did, go ahead and erase. What was this word? Bonk. Bonk. Very good. All right. Your next word is going to be honk. Okay? Time out. Virtual kids, go ahead and check your syllables for the word honk. I want you to pound and tap the word honk. I want you to write the word honk and have your grown-up check it. And then once your grown-up has checked it, I want you to write it, read it, erase it 3 times. And then I want you to code that word. Once you're finished, if you will, take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. And then we'll be back with the sentence in just a bit. All right. So, how many syllables was the word honk?
1.
It was 1 syllable. What is the first sound we hear in honk? Nope. That's not my question. Remember, we're working on listening to Miss Ashley's questions. Listen. What is the first sound we hear in honk? What is it? Very good. What letter makes that sound? H. All right. What is the next letter? What is the next sound we hear? Ah. What letter makes that sound? O. Ah. What's our next sound? What letter makes that sound? N. And our last sound. Sound. Remember, it's not K. Remember, you got to cut that sound off. Okay? All right, what's the first thing I'm going to do if I'm going to code this word? I'm going to locate my vowel. What is my vowel in the word honk? Oh, what do I label it with? Okay, what do I do after I found my vowel? What is after your vowel? A consonant. Very good. What do I know about VC patterns? It is a closed syllable. Very good. And what happens when I have a closed syllable? Time out. Time out. Why am I looking at you? Thank you. Go ahead and raise your hand, guys, because I'm getting too many answers. I can't hear. Raise your hand if you can tell me what it means when there is when there's a VC pattern. Hunter, what does it mean when I say there's a VC pattern? Okay, and what does that mean for the vowel? And how do I label that? Oh, no, how do I label the short sound for the vowel? A what? I breathe. Very good. Where do I put my breathe? Good job. You can move your clip up. Back on green, my man. All right. So now we have your word honk. We know that NK is our feature for this week. These are the special letters that we're talking about this week. You've located your vowel. You know that it's short, so it needed to breathe. So now we can sound this word out. If we did not know this word, would we panic? No, because we would sound it out, right? So let's sound this word out. Very good. All right, look up here. Let's go ahead and read all of our words. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Awesome job. All right, now I want you to go ahead and erase your board. Yep. Yep, we're going to write a sentence. No, we will write a sentence in red words. So go ahead and erase your boards. Put those away. Get out your red word notebook.